it's round, square it off and give it a flat bottom. Give it flat sides, okay? Flat bottom. Okay, just like that. Your knife should be in a rocking motion. You should not go like this. It should just rock, push forward and downward. You got a flat bottom now, it's stable. There's stability there. Now we want to flatten the sides out, square off the sides. Not too thick, you're wasting potato. Just enough to give it a nice edge. Make sure you claw your fingers. Get those knuckles back so that blade can't get those good old fingers, right? Turn it around, same thing. I say indent the paragraph. Indent your paragraph first, get it started, then go through. Okay? Up here, I usually square mine off after I cut off a plank first, okay? In the back, I can square that off. And this can be used for hash browns, mashed potatoes, right? Now, large dice is how thick? 3/4. 3/4 by 3/4 by 3/4, a perfect cube. So I'm gonna go take my knife, shoulder length apart, feet on the ground. I got my knife here. I'm gonna look on this side of the knife because that's what I wanna measure. 3/4. I would say this is 3/4 right here. My mouse just popped off. It happens. That's 3/4. I'm gonna go forward, start my paragraph, right? LOL, then down. Okay? Right? So, glad we're not like on a live studio, so. Now, bam. Jeez. My ears are like really small. Okay, cool. So now I have this 3/4 piece here this way. I gotta get it 3/4 this way. See how wide it is here? This side's right. And now I gotta get this part right. See how it's round as well? Well, I can square it off right now. I'm gonna see where it goes round at and where it starts to get flat right about here. And I'm gonna get that round curve off as much as possible without wasting too much of my potato. And guess what? It's still 3/4 up here, okay? Now over here, this is about 1 inch. So I gotta go 3/4 over here. Right about there, forward and down, okay? Okay? 3/4, 3/4, 3/4. Flatten this side out. Go ahead and square it off, okay? Back here, little round right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that piece off. And now I have a 3/4 by 3/4 by about 2 inches long. I know that paper tells me large dice should not be 2 inches. Large dice should be 3/4 long as well. Perfect cube. So now I'm gonna turn sideways and cut off my cubes. 3/4, 3/4. This is bigger than 3/4, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit on the back end. Watching my fingers, nice and gentle. That's why it's a skill. Now I have my large dice. Grab it, young man. Okay, look at it, ask yourself, is it about even? Okay, not bad. If you're a customer and you saw these three together, if you're a customer, you see all these three together, you're gonna say that looks nice, right? Now watch this. Okay. Now, if you're a customer and you see these four together, which one's gonna say, ugh?
That one.
Right? That's called inconsistent. Even if these aren't perfect 3/4, even if they aren't perfect 3/4, I know that they are consistent. So you gotta ask yourself when you're cutting which one's not good enough, or which two aren't good enough, or should I start over again? Okay. Next is medium dice. How big is medium dice? 5. What you say? Half an inch. Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do half an inch this time. Half an inch. Okay. Square that off. It's half an inch. Look at that. Little crooked there. Square it off there. Okay. Go half an inch this way. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my half inch. Check it again. Good. Half an inch. 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 Okay. Medium dice. See the difference? Okay. I can look at it and say, which one's too small? This is the last piece I try to force. Okay, I can get rid of it, that's fine. So I have my large dice, and I have my medium dice. At this time, I want you to do medium dice and large dice.
Okay.
Go.